Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kanaan, and today I will show you how to use a free software service that is available to everyone, how to use it with your CBCT and to transfer the CBCT from something like this into something like this. So after opening 3D Slicer, the software by default does not come with the segmentation module, so we need to install it. So you go to this button, okay, then you click it and go to install extensions and type here dental segmentator. You will see this one. I already have installed it for your demonstration, but you need to click install. It's going to be like this one. So you click install, and then you will install the service, and then you will restart 3D Slicer. Then go to the CBCT software, the one that came with the machine, and go and export the DICOM files into a folder and make sure that you export it as different files. Don't export them as one file. If you put it under one file, you will have problems with the module. So make sure you have like CT1, CT3, CT3, all these files one by one until the last one. Don't put them in one big file, then you will have some problems. Now we will go to 3D Slicer and we will open the patient DICOM data and go here to show. I think we're going to go to the import and I put it right here as a demo test 2, the data right here, and it's loading. And here's a patient, and we will load it now. And once it's loaded, you will notice here that we have the axial view, we have the coronal view, and we have the sagittal view. But this is empty. We don't have any segmentation yet. So what we need to do, you go, what I want to first change, see here, it says that the patient name, I'm going to mask this one, but change this one from unnamed series and put a name for it, rename, we'll name it, let's see, CBCT before rendering. Okay, so now we have the name here. Now you need to open that new module. So if you click here the menu, the drop down, you will not see that menu, that module that we have installed. So click search, put dental, and it's right there. So we'll switch to this module. And now we are inside that module. Here, the system will automatically pick that CBCT which you have opened, and you see that's why I renamed it CBCT before rendering. Okay, you can use two ways. You can use two ways to render it. The first one is the CPU, but it takes long time, sometimes 40-50 minutes. But if you have a strong graphic card with 8 gigabyte of RAM, you can use the CUDA and pick CUDA and then click apply. Now you read here that it says NN unit is already installed. If you don't have it, it will take few minutes to install it, and then it will install also a Python module which I have already installed, and it's going to take few minutes. So don't worry. Even if you don't see this one moving, just give it some time, and it's working. AI is working now. See, now it start working. Now we have the pre-processing. Now, after a few minutes, here we are. What a beautiful rendering we've got. We have some artifact or some issues here because this patient has already braces, okay? But I want to share with you how beautiful this module is. So now you see the module has segmented the CBCT into 5 sections: the maxilla, the mandible, upper teeth, lower teeth, and the mandibular canal. And you can turn them off and on by clicking this one, Watch, like if I want to remove the upper maxilla, the lower, the mandible, just keep the teeth, okay? And now you can see how these canines, these impacted canines, are related to the adjacent teeth. You can see, let me turn that lower teeth. So this patient has a baby tooth here, okay, upper left E. We have upper left 5 impacted, and the root is very, very close to the canine root, is very close to the second premolar root. You can also adjust the smoothness by playing with this one, with this slider, okay? Now, sometimes when it's done and you see an empty space with where you see it white, what you need to do, you need to click this one, show 3D, because if you don't have it clicked, it's going to be empty. See, even if you have all of them on, there's nothing here, okay? But if you go here, you click this one, and then it will show you the actual rendering. Now, let's say for some reason that you want to mask something or measure an area. It's very simple. What you need to do, you go to the scissor, okay? And let's say I want to cut this piece of bone. So watch this one. I'm going to cut this area, and then watch, nothing happened. And the reason why nothing happened is because I'm on the wrong segment. So I need to pick the maxilla. So make sure that on the maxilla, and then you have the scissor uh, picked, and then let's see, cut the small piece here. Wait a few seconds, and then it's gone. See, I'm gonna go back here. Beautiful. Yeah, I think this is excellent where you can evaluate the tooth position, teeth position. This is a very hard case where you can see that canine is right to the mesial, I'm sorry, right to the distal floor of the nose. So this is the nose right here, and then we can see that canine is right there. We need to create some clearance by letting this premolar come down, and we'll try to drop this one all the way down. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was beneficial to you. The reason again why I like it, it's free, it's open source, and it has a lot of capabilities. And I promise you, in the next video, I'm going to make another one. I will show you how to use the ruler, how to measure distance. I will also show you some tricks, how to make the rules and the structure bigger or smaller, how to export the STL file, how to implement it with Mesh Mixer. And again, all these are free. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment, and either I will reply individually, or I will put the answer to your question in the next video that I will make. Thank you so much, and again, I hope you enjoyed it. And